Hello, third grade, and welcome to Writer's Workshop. Today we are going to write out our persuasive writing from our outline. Now, the way this works is we really just have to retype everything. So I want you to watch how this works for the first paragraph, and then you will do the rest on your own. We are first going to start with our title, School All Year, and I have that up here as the title. Then I'm going to click return twice, 5 spaces. So then I have an indent, and I can start with my first sentence. My intro. Don't you love summer? Now I'm not going to click return again. I'm going to keep typing. These first two are going to be together. Then I'll use my transition word. First, comma. Transition words always have a comma. We need breaks. And then I'm going to write my 3 points. Our brains need time to relax. We need time to spend with family. It's better to stay off your screen for a while. And our first paragraph is done. I'm going to click return, 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and start my next one. Next, comma. We need to play during summer. We couldn't play hide and seek if we were in school. See how I added things? Since this is just a draft, if I think it doesn't sound right, then I'll add some parts. You can't play with friends outside of your school. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you will write your last paragraph and add your conclusion at the end. Once you are finished typing your whole persuasive writing, you can move on to the next activity for today.